Here is Boutron getting it to Leacock. Has a shot, goal number 3. Well. This man can't help but score. Minute 62. Leacock scores his third. Defense force scores their third. And Isaiah Leacock just can't help scoring here. Look at that. Turn, hit it, got the room that he needed. He turned with it. Nobody closed them down. And poor Poon Lois, he's been on for not too long. And already he's seen 2 balls go into the back of the net.
Oh, whoever asked if lightning can strike twice in the same place? Oh, they've never spoken to Isaiah Leacock. He's struck 3 times. What a story. 6 goals in 2 matches. Started the season as a hotshot playing with AC Port of Spain. He's made the switch to the defense force. Landed on the bench for much of the season. And then when it mattered, perhaps winning them single-handedly their first cup this season. Look at this. Full of confidence. He always had one thing in his mind, one destination, and he found it. Might be his last act of the game. He's down with some cramp, but what an act. An act that he will not forget. That is 3-0.
Well, he's done some injury to himself. Leacock, Isaiah Leacock. What a pity. What a real pity. Seems to be some sort of calf injury, James.
Yeah, it might just be some cramp. Judging from his reaction and the treatment being applied. But what a closing act. Well, he's literally dropped the mic and he said, hey guys, I'm out.
Yeah.
30 minutes to go.